Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini, guys. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back. Kita akan kembali lagi mereaction perkembangan dari Putri Aryani. Kali ini ada reaktor couple atau suami istri berpasangan yang melihat cover Putri Aryani dan dia sangat-sangat kagum dan terkesima atas penampilan Putri Aryani kali ini, guys. Dan wow, memang amazing. Putri Aryani membuat kita selalu kaget dan merinding ketika mendengarkan lagu-lagu yang di covernya. Saya jujur gak pernah bosan-bosan menonton Putri Aryani karena wow, amazing sekali. Dan inilah gadis yang berusia muda yang berjuang untuk membanggakan dan mengharumkan nama Indonesia. Yuk kita mendukung Putri Aryani agar agar sukses nanti ke depannya di acara Agate. Oke? Tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
Hello, welcome back. I'm Angie.
I'm Roland.
You're at Reaction Talk, and we have more Putri, and hopefully saying that okay. Look it up in all kinds of different ways to say it, so we don't wish any disrespect. So lots of requests for more of this artist on the channel. We cannot believe, or I can't believe, the reaction that we did went to the moon. It is one of the top reactions on the channel for views. We appreciate each and every one of you who watched it and gave us love, and to all sisters and brothers in Indonesia, we appreciate you so much, and we thank you for taking the time to watch our content, even though we might not be we're kind of different, and we're American, and well, it's just like, we just appreciate you guys, because we're not like, typical reactors.
We probably talk a lot.
Yeah, we talk a lot.
Very possibly talk a lot.
Some people might get annoyed, but yeah, I just want to say thank you so much. Did not expect that, so but it's much appreciated. So we are actually going to check out Easy on Me cover by her, and this one is next because we have a number of these on the channel by a few different artists. We did are you alright?
Yeah, everything's okay. I apologize.
Okay.
I had to make sure it wasn't an emergency.
Oh, okay.
That happens a lot on the other channel because sometimes I'm away from you.
Yeah.
And I can't let the...
Yeah, I know. I gotcha. Okay, so anyway, we've done... Keith Urban's done this. We have Adele on here. And Angelica Hale.
Adele.
We did that one. And I think there might be one more. Did we do I don't know if we did it in...
Angelina Jordan?
Yeah, I can't remember. But
I think that started it.
There's a few of them. So anyway, there'll be links in the description and cards above Roland's head that will lead you to those reactions if you're interested. So let's see what they've also referred to her as a little princess. So it's in the comments, and it's been on a different channel, so we're not making that up. So
we are.
No disrespect there either, but yeah. So let's see what she does.
Yeah. A tissue. She's not going easy on you.
No.
I'm assuming this is very good.
Nangis, guys.
Yeah, she's very and it doesn't even look like it's difficult. Like, she's just becomes the song, and feels it to this level of a lot. I mean, it's those special artists that do this. I think it's very good.
Are
you guys kidding me? Come on.
Wow. Do we need to take a minute? Do you need a...
I'm fine.
Okay.
Fine. We'll get through it.
We're going to go back just a bit so we don't miss any.
What do you think?
Okay. I definitely understand that it's amazing through you. Because we're so far out of this, it's one of those songs that it's beautiful. It doesn't hit me the same way.
Well, yeah, I know, because it's not your music, but yeah, it's very good. I mean, it's very good.
Do I vicariously live through the person that I love and adore on this planet and can feel what you're feeling? Yeah. That's
Nice,
the
guys.
great thing is if I've
Whoa.
learned anything is
Wow.
you make it all better because of how you take it all, right? I think that's a big deal. I mean, I do. It's not that it's because I don't have the skills, right? And because I don't have the same emotional response. And if you're new to the channel, trust me, we can start talking about something and it's, I'm watering the grass. It's not that I don't have an emotional base. It's very rare unless... See, I'm desensitized to the song, and you get instantly.
You got a little mushy when we watched her on AGT.
Yes,
so-
because she did an original, and the
original,
energy received from the performance. I think this is another exceptional version of a song that, I think is good.
Well, let's hope she goes easy on me now.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
go.
too late.
I had no time to choose
Wow.
what I chose to do. So go easy on me. There are no room for things to change. When we are both so deeply stuck in our way, you can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I'll give up. Go.
It is. That's why. So the problem is I have 100 different reactions that explain because I could give them what you got. So if I start talking about anchors me to the earth and makes my life better, bam. This song isn't about that. This is about the opposite. I do not relate to love songs about loss.
Wow.
I don't have to.
Dijelaskan semuanya, guys.
Now I'll give up. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get a chance to feel the world around me. Had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy.
Wow. See, that is awesome.
I'd got intention and answers, but not now. It probably doesn't even show.
I know that's awesome.
Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get a chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding?
Holy smokes, huh? We're gonna excuse us 1 second. Oh, okay, good. A Kleenex. Wow.
Yeah, so probably the best is it called rendition?
Yeah, that works.
That I've heard. I don't know what else to say. I mean, wow. Well, I mean, and, I wish you could have enjoyed it as just it's the feeling she has. I mean, this just like flows out like just this. You almost can see it. It's just crazy. Amazing.
No, and I didn't not like it. I know it's wonderful.
No, I didn't mean that. I meant like
It's-
if you could just.
It's weird because there was a lyric when the vocals were taking you away. There was a lyric about that here. What really, for me, is why it. So it talks about the subject matter of the song is a person who didn't get to live their life enough, and then they've got caught. It seems right, and it's going to end. Is kind of what I get from the narrative, and the whole. The world we had to see around us before we got to this moment is so opposite, right?
Yeah.
That it's and I've been doing this long enough that I'm not going to pretend here that the lyrics aren't 90% of all of this for me, because they always have been, but that was incredible. But see, the difference is I can't tell much of a difference between all the A artists. It happened in our first reaction. I knew it was gonna be exceptional because it was a golden buzzer in the
Yeah, I know.
title.
Yeah.
I literally get a spoiler.
Right.
And spoilers ruin me. My honey, you're emotionally connected. And that I think is wonderful because I've been talking about the subjective nature of art.
Yeah.
And if I went to this concert, I would have, if I saw her and I watched what it did to you and others around you, I mean, I would be as lost as the rest of you. I'd just get lost vicariously through you.
Right.
Because look around behind us. I mean,
Yeah.
I am who I am. I can't,
know,
right?
I
So
know.
it's
I
all
get
really
it. I get
great
it.
and in the
but
end.
yeah, I mean, I'm sure you guys let us know where you think this is on your, all the versions of this song that you have heard.
Yeah, outside
Because-
of personal opinion, how does it stand up against all the other covers of the song? Is
Yeah.
that what you mean?
Sure.
Yeah. I got you. Stepped on your
Yeah.
moment.
It's okay. Thanks for, checking it out and let us know what you think. You got anything else?
No, I was.
We'll
I
probably
thought it was
have.
very good.
Yeah, it is very good. And I'm sure there'll be other songs. We have a few on the list that have been requested. Some of her top stuff. So stay tuned if you want to see more. And thank you again to all the new people and all the viewers and all of the fans of this wonderful artist that we just discovered.
Thank
we
you.
hope that you will stick around for more. Bye.
Oke guys, jadi segitu yang kita lihat. Jadi kita akan deskripsikan apa yang sudah kita lihat tadi. Jadi wow, memang benar, wow, keren sekali. Lagu ini yang sering kita dengar di cover Putri Aryani. Dan kita lihat juga tadi yang wanita sangat-sangat sedih dan nangis seperti apa ya, seperti keinget suatu hal gitulah ya. Dan lalu lantas mereka berdua ini cerita-cerita tentang hal-hal yang atau curhat lah ya, curhat tentang apa ya, tentang keadaan gitulah ya. Seperti itu. Jadi wow, memang amazing. Lagu apapun yang dibawakan oleh Putri Aryani, kita selalu terpaku dan terpukau melihatnya. Kita tidak bosan-bosannya melihat Putri Aryani karena kita sebagai warga negara harus mendukung talent Indonesia juga guys, agar terus maju dan sukses nantinya di acara Agate. Oke, dan kita bersama-sama mendukung Putri Aryani, memberikan suara kita untuk mendorong Putri Aryani agar naik terus gitulah ya intinya. Oke. Jadi yuk kita let's go, kita dukung, kita support talent Indonesia yang sedang berjuang mengharumkan, membanggakan nama besar Indonesia kali ini guys. Oke, dan apa tanggapan kalian? Tulis juga di kolom komentar. Kita berdiskusi di situ. Sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.